So over here, you can see that I have this particular computer right here. So let me just go ahead and send the request right here to the other computer so that the other person can actually go ahead and accept it out. So this is what you have, as you can see. And then if I were to go ahead and then move this, you can actually see that the screen that you see right here resizes accordingly. So let's see what you want to do now is I want to see the true size pixel by pixel according to my monitor. In that case, you can simply go to your display right here, and then you can actually go around over here onto, let's say, for example, auto adapt resolution right here. Once you do that, you can see that it actually goes ahead and resizes the resolution of the computer right here, just like this, so that you can see everything pixel by pixel. So I can go around over here again and then use auto adapt, like let's say, for example, resolution right here. And then the computer right here, the remote computer, will automatically go ahead and adapt it out, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. Apart from that, you also see that you have an option right here to go ahead and shrink it. So you can see that right now it'll shrink it right here. Let me just go ahead right here and then resize this out right here. And I'm going to go ahead and, let's say, for example, auto adapt the resolution to this particular space right here. So you can see it in detail right here. The remote computer actually goes ahead and changes out the resolution accordingly. So now around over here, if I were to go to full screen, you can see that I still see this. So if I were to go around over here and stretch, now you can see that even if the resolution of the end computer is smaller, you will be able to see that it actually goes ahead and expand this out when you go ahead and select out stretch. So if I were to go ahead and choose original, you see the original resolution pixel by pixel as per your monitor. So let me just go ahead and then not remove the auto adapt right here. So I can auto adapt or reset the initial resolution right here so that you see it accordingly. So as I do that, now you can see that it is showing pixel by pixel. But if you want to shrink it back out, then you can simply go around over here and click on shrink so that it shows the full resolution right here in a shrinked format. And that is how you can simply go ahead and manage the display scaling that you have in AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.